Welcome back. Farmers from Neura have decided to approach Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to save their farmlands from getting destroyed into salt farms. Farmers allege that water released from sluice gates have completely ruined their fields. They cannot cultivate any more in their once green paddy fields.
These are the fields of Neura in Tiswadi. Once they were lush and green. Farmers grew such rice of Korgud variety over here. Now, they cannot cultivate as their fields have turned saline due to constant release of water from sluice gates or manas. They say representatives of Tenants Association, sluice gate owners and Mamladars have not solved this problem in the past. They feel betrayed. Now, as last resort, they have decided to take up the issue to the Chief Minister.
रिक्वेस्ट आसा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन की एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाचे मनीस येवन ते सॉयल टेस्टिंग करून तेजेर जी शेतां बुडयता आनी बुडटा तेजेर कितें एक्शन घेवची इमिडिएटली. सो सीएमा कडेन हीच रिक्वेस्ट मागता.
उदक केन्नाच्यान तुमच्या शेतान सोडपाक लागला मानशे का?
Yeah, last 11 years, no? Last 11 years we are facing the same problem.
हे सगळें मानशेचे उदक येवपाक
होय
लागला.
मानशाचेंच हें. ते कोगोडां काडटाय उडयताय. Complaint deleted, it falls on the deaf ears. It is useless doing everything. We have resorted to everything. Now the only alternative is we have to come on the streets.
Some farmers feel that there is still chance to save their fields if sluice gate water is stopped from entering the farmlands.
700 शेतां आहाय 1925 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर ही जमीन आहा येद्याच हजनाची. इतलो लोक पोट भरतालो. गव्हर्मेंट आतां भाशण दिता हें कोत्ता तें कोत्ता तें कोत्ता पूण हांगा कांय करना. सबसिडी मेळना. आमी रोयली आमचे पयशे खर्च करूनय रोयले जाल्यार आमकां ते पयशे उसूल करूंक मेळना. ते कित्याक ते हारी उदकान शेतां जायना.
Rakesh Kandulkar for Prudent Media.
The 37th State Mini Secondary and Higher Secondary School Athletic Championship commenced on Wednesday at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. Sports Minister Ramesh Tawwadkar declared the meet open. State Championship is the best platform for youngsters to show their talent and get spotted for bigger challenges, as Goa will be hosting Lusophonia Games and National Games in near future.
I declare the 37th State Mini Secondary and Higher Secondary School Athletic Championship for the year 2012-13 open.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at prudentgoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.